All right, I've got a juicy stock for you guys today. This is a banking stock, ticker symbol FBK. This is FB Financial Corp. I believe they do have earnings today. This is one to watch, so drop what you're doing and let's go ahead and jump in. So this is a $53.67 stock with a $2.78 billion market cap. They do 865 million in sales. They have 122 million dollars in income. That's good that a bank is profitable. They have 196 million in cash, 273 million in debt. Shares outstanding 51 million, which can be pretty volatile under 100 million. There's a 3.51% short at the moment, and you can find this stock within the Russell 2000. If you wanted to own 2,000 stocks instead of just one, that'll help with volatility. In the event this banking stock does go down sharply or up very sharply, you'll be guarded against that with the Russell 2000 because there are 1,999 other stocks to help balance out the volatility. So let's go ahead and now look at the daily chart. Nothing really wrong here, actually. It's been pretty smooth sailing. It's about up 28% going back to last July. The stock is getting ready to retest the 250 SMA. The 200 SMA and the 50 SMA, not the 250 SMA. And if this stock does happen to break above the 200 SMA and hold it, the 50 SMA would be following, or I'm sorry, in this case, it would be the 20 SMA up above the 200 SMA, essentially kind of reigniting the golden cross where the simple moving averages cross above the 200 SMA. As of this recording today, the only SMA below the 200 SMA is the 20. So a nice move of FBK up and beyond would move the 20 SMA above the 200 SMA, making a nice golden cross. Looking at our weekly trend here, you can see that both the 50 and the 200 SMA are well above 50 and 20 SMA are well above the 200. Right here was the golden cross, and you can see the stock went from about 40 to 60. So the golden cross magic is real. However, you guys are very sharp. Typically, my audience is quant traders, hedge fund analysts, all that fun stuff. I see a big old bear flag right here. We got our flagpole and the flag. To me, it looks like the stock is going lower. However, this is a very, very attractive stock as we do continue forward. So far. And then we have our monthly chart. Again, the stock's only been trading since about 2016. So not too much data, but we can see the stock is trying to hang above the 220 SMA right here, this purple line. So nothing crazy too far other than this has been doing very well. And I'd say the average price has probably been around 45 with the low around 15, high as above 60. Looking at our potential stock price here, analysts have a price target of 66. I have a price target of 71. Again, this is a $53 stock, so plenty of upside as of this view. But again, I do think this bear flag on the weekly is going to throw a wrench in our plans. Looking at our ownership here, it is up ever so slightly. FinViz, where I get my data for these reviews, the old data was 78.37%. New data as of today of the recording was 78.80%. So not a huge uptick in institutional ownership, but it is up nonetheless. We do see that insiders own 15% of the company so far. Love to see skin in the game with a little bit of selling here. Looking at my thesis. So I actually reviewed this company, I don't even know when, but I did the Fibonacci arc here, and you can see how beautiful it played out. So I did a Fibonacci arc here from this cycle low to this cycle high. Look at the respect of the candle right here, 10 out of 10 kiss right there. Great test of resistance. This beautiful test of resistance there. Great test of resistance, bounce off the outer ring of support, test of resistance. Stock falls through, gets rejected, breaks through. 1 million out of 1 million support right on this outer ring. Candle moves up, gets nicely rejected by our inner candle here. 2 tests of support right on our inner ring. This candle right here does signify that this inner ring here is acting as resistance. So based off of this really strong resistance inner ring, I'm thinking the stock does go down. If we couple that with our bear flag on the weekly, I would not be surprised to see the stock come down just a smidge, probably around the 47 to $50 area. I think that would be a decent area to nibble. But one area that I am watching is going to be this channel right here. It's tapped it once, it's tapped it twice, third time's a charm. Potentially right here is where we're looking. If this downtrend stays sharp, however, we do see the apex, the area where we have resistance and support converging. So I have March of 2028 as our possible date to reconvene here. But if you're somebody who likes to dollar cost average and add strong companies over time, that fits into my category. This would be one of them, in my opinion, that I would do. You need to consult a professional because I do this for entertainment only. Cheers to some water. Cheers to getting a haircut. And I do want to show you guys some other amazing detail from the stock. So if you made it this far, it's a bonus. Looking at FBK here, look at our gap EPS here. Overall, it is up and to the right. We're starting at 1.86, ending at 2.45. You can see we've got some up, down, major up, down, 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 but it's leveling out. Overall, it is up and to the right. Sales, absolutely just beautiful. Only up and to the right, which is amazing. Shares outstanding went from 31 million shares. 30 million shares to now 51 million shares in a span of 8 years. So that is a little concerning. The supply continues to grow while the demand can fluctuate. That is always something to consider, in my opinion. And let's go ahead and just really quickly check out the chart here. And we are looking at FBK. So as we can see, I do think we do get into this ascending triangle web, if you will. So here is our ascending triangle support. Here is our ascending triangle resistance. Purple. So support, resistance. I think the stock definitely comes back down into this channel of goodness. Every time it does get down here, great things happen. So with that, we're actually going to set an alert. Crosses below, yes. No, we don't do that. We don't do that. Review for purchase, brother. All right. So that looks good. If you made it this far, I appreciate you consider hitting the like button, maybe leaving a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Hope you are doing very well. I'll see you soon. Take care. Adios.